Log into your account with your username and password. This will take you to the home page, which shows all your pending fire risk assessments. To return to this page at any time, press the assessments icon at the bottom of the page. The More icon, also at the bottom of the page, brings up a menu with links to the data management, support and account pages. Press Create to begin a new assessment on an accessible area within an existing property. In step 1, the assessor is by default shown as the person who is logged in. For the type, I will choose PAS 79. For the accessible area, I will search for and select Vulcan House Flats 1 through 6. When it comes to the environment template field, our live platform has several global templates to choose from, but you can also create your own to line up with your own environment needs. For this demonstration, we will select PAS 79 Demo. The assessment date will default to today's date, and the default reassessment date will be the default reassessment period entered in the environment template, which in this case is 1 year from the time of the assessment. Tap the Advanced Category and Section Management title to show the selected risk categories and hazards for the chosen assessment type and environment template. From here, you can refine this template by adding or removing hazards to meet your current requirements. Let's remove cooking and lighting. When you are ready, scroll to the bottom of the page, press Done, and Next. When in step 2 for the first time, the program will check the area being assessed has a building safety manager who is named person or entity. This is the person that the assessment actions will be sent to in the form of tasks. If there is no named person or entity, then you will receive a warning. The contents here can be auto-populated from information stored under the property or accessible area being assessed. If there is no stored information, this area will remain blank or partially completed. However, you can press on each question and either type or dictate your answers. Dictation can be used by pressing the microphone key on the tablet keypad. Let's dictate under Summary. A basement car park is available for a total of 20 cars with cross ventilation on 2 sides. A single exit is available and fitted with a push bar. Let's move on to the next step by pressing Done and Next. In step 3, you can choose the hazard. Once selected, a question set will appear. For this example, we will choose smoking. Here, a location is required, and we will set it for all areas. The questions will appear with a yes, no, or non-applicable option. Each answer contains positive and negative answers. Positive answers are underlined in green and don't require a finding. When selected, a green bar will appear on the left. Negative answers are underlined in red and require a finding, a risk score, if configured under the assessment type, and corrective actions. When selected, a red bar will appear on the left. Press No. Here you can select a preset finding, or you can add your own by checking the Add as Preset option. Once in place, you can alter it if required. Here we will add all areas of instead of within. Select Likelihood and Consequence. Once both options have been populated, the program will calculate and show the risk score for the current finding. Once we are happy with the risk score, tap Select Presets in line with the Actions heading. We now have a list of preset actions to select from. In this example, we are going to select Illicit Smoking and then Insert Presets to insert this corrective action under our finding. Once inserted, it shows as red, an indication that information is missing. Tap on this line to bring up the action. Here we can see the title and description of the action, where we can enter the priority, time frame, risk offset, and upload one or more images if needed. When complete, press the Save button. In this example, we want to reduce the risk score to 0 when all actions are completed. An easy way to achieve this is to tap the Equalize Offsets button. This will automatically equalize the offset across all the current actions. Once done entering all the relevant information, tap the Save button at the top of the screen. This will take us back to the hazard question set to continue answering the questions as required. Once we have completed answering the relevant questions, tap the Save button at the top of the screen. This will take us back to the hazard list or floor plan. We can also add a header and/or a footer content to a category or hazard section to provide further information or context if required. To view a preview of any risk assessment, return to the assessment list by tapping on the assessments and then press the chevron at the end of the line. When in preview mode, it is possible to make amendments to the text that you've entered. Perhaps you would like to correct typos or spelling mistakes. All you have to do is click on the text that you want to edit. We hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like more information, please contact us.